Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a treble crochet chain 1 crochet pattern. Super fun and super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. And you'll want to do any multiples of 2 plus 4. So I'm just going to do a quick 12 chains plus 4. And here we are doing our plus 4. All right, and in the 5th chain from the hook, you'll want to do your first treble crochet. Followed by a chain 1, skip 1, and treble crochet into the next stitch. Again, it's a chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet in the next stitch. And this will be repeated to the end of the row. So chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet into the next stitch. Alright, here we are at the last treble crochet. Let's see how it's coming along. So we'll turn our work and we will chain 4. And we will do a treble crochet in the chain 1 gap from below. Alright, chain 1. Treble crochet into the chain 1 gap. And this will actually be how we do the whole entire project. Just treble crocheting, chaining 1, and treble crocheting into the chain 1 gap from below. So as we come on to our last stitch, we will chain 1, and we will treble crochet into our side chain instead of the chain 1 gap. And the reason for doing this is so our work ends up having a nice smooth edge. Alright, so let's see this again. Gonna turn our work and chain 4. And we will treble crochet into the chain 1 space. And that's how you do the treble crochet chain 1 stitch. Super easy, but just make sure as we get to our last one that we do our treble crochet into the chain wall instead of into the chain 1 gap. There you go. I love how this pattern ends up looking, and it looks like we're gonna get some quality control inspection from the cat. Oh no, she's getting cuddled. Ah! I think she approves. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.